what's going on here then? So this is a Rocket 3 2006. Came out to this job a few weeks ago. The customer was having problems with the Speedo not working. When you turn the key on these bikes, they're supposed to do the sweep to check that they're working. Wasn't doing that, and the Speedo wasn't registering at all. With the computer, we determined that there wasn't a problem with the Speedo sensors or anything like that. So I also got informed by the customer that these clocks have been replaced before. He's owned the bike a long time, so he's had these clocks replaced, and he said that he didn't pay that much money for them. So basically what they did was they fitted a second-hand set of clocks, and I'm not entirely sure if this is how they're supposed to be, but they've cut the wires here and rejoined them. I don't know if there was like a plug or something here originally and they've just chopped it out just to make sure that nothing happened, or maybe the connector was really bad. Anyway, so this is the process that I'm going through at the moment. So I'm reconnecting these wires to this set of wires with small connectors. So each one's got to be crimped, and then we've got to fit the clocks and then reconnect all these wires. There's about 16. So yeah, it's quite a bit of work in it, but this was the best option really. I mean, I have been when the guy said, there's a bit of a story to this, but I suggested a couple of companies to the guy to get these sent away to, and both of them let him down. One guy didn't want to take them apart, I think, and anyway, they ended up coming back to him, and he had to dismantle the clocks himself and send off the clocks. So he also mentioned that there might be a connector in here that you can unplug. Wish I'd have known that before, because that would have been a lot easier. But anyway, we'll see in a minute if it's fixed. Right, I think that's it. Number 32. That's it. So they're all ready to go now. Okay, just need the key now. Looks like they're all working. High beam's working, indicator's working. $292 miles. That seems a bit weird. All the lights are coming on, even the back lights, so all working. So I'm just going to go around, tape all this up, make sure nothing can short out, and then put the bike back together. So I'll get the name of the company who fixed the clocks and I'll put that on at the end of this video. But that's just one job fixed, all done. Very happy with that. I wanted to put a connection in here, so if need be you can just come back to this and disconnect them all. Should be straightforward to take the clocks off if need be.